Hello, and welcome to our guide on how to care for a newborn baby. Today, we will be discussing some essential tips to help you prepare and provide the best care for your precious angel. 1. Feeding. Breast milk is the preferred food for the first 6 months, but if you are unable to provide breast milk, consult your pediatrician for recommendations on appropriate formula. 2. Sleeping. Newborns sleep for 14-17 hours a day, but during the first few weeks, it is normal for them to sleep for shorter periods throughout the day. 3. Diapering. Change the diaper of your baby at least 5 times a day, or as needed. Make sure to clean the area thoroughly to avoid rashes. 4. Bathing. Bathe your baby 2 to 3 times a week using lukewarm water and mild baby soap. Keep the water temperature consistent to avoid skin irritation. 5. Temperature. Dress your baby in light layers of clothing, as they can easily get cold. Make sure to keep their room warm and well ventilated. 6. Holding and soothing. Always hold your baby close to your chest while talking or singing to them. This helps establish a secure bond and provides comfort. 7. Vaccinations. Ensure that your baby receives all recommended vaccinations during their first few months of life. 8. Healthcare. Attend all scheduled pediatric appointments and consult your pediatrician with any concerns about your baby's health. 9. Safe environment. Keep the baby's sleeping area free from toys, blankets, or anything that could pose a suffocation risk. Place the crib on a firm surface and keep the mattress free from clutter. 10. Love and encouragement. Offer plenty of cuddles, hugs, and positive reinforcement to help your baby feel loved and secure. By following these tips, you can provide the best care for your newborn baby, ensuring their safety and happiness.